Students, welcome to @Valli Math channel. I hope this channel is very useful to 9th class and 10th class students, and it is more useful to the students those who are going to appear the board examination. See, now today I am going to start my channel with polynomials introduction. See, here this is x. It is a variable. Variable means varies. X varies means changes, meaning is its value changes from one problem to another problem. 3, it is a constant. 3 is a constant means it is fixed. Here 3 into x, 3x, it is a term. The relation between 3 and x is into. Here 3x is one term. If I add or subtract or multiply or divide any number to this 3x, then it will be an expression. Here I added 5 to this 3x. Now this is an expression. Algebraic expression it is. In this algebraic expression, here x multiple is 3. This 3 is also known as coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Now these algebraic expressions, what is an algebraic expression first? You already studied in the previous classes about the algebra. Algebraic expression meaning is it is a combination of variables and constants with 4 fundamental operations. Now coming to our point, I am going to write I wrote here some examples of the algebraic expressions. Once you observe those, first one 4x square plus 5x minus 6. Here it is having 3 terms. An algebraic expression which is having 3 terms is a trinomial. You already studied. Here it is having 2 terms, 3x minus 5. 2 terms, binomial. If single term is there, then it is a monomial. You already studied in 8th class. Now here 5x cube plus 7x square minus 8. It is having 3 terms. Here also two more examples I wrote. In this set of algebraic expressions, once you see the variables, now one more set of algebraic expressions I wrote there. See, in this 4 by x square is there in the denominator, plus 5x minus 6. Same terms I used, but the difference is here x square is there in the denominator. If I take this x square to the numerator, the power gets negative symbol according to exponents and powers. So 4x power minus 2 plus 5x minus 6. Now you observe this 3 by x minus 8. Here x is not having any power. Not having any power meaning is it is having 1 as the power. If I take this one to numerator, then 3x power minus 1 minus 8. Now go to the third one. Here also x cubes is there in the denominator. If I take this one to numerator, the power gets negative according to exponents and powers. Here observe in the fourth one, here x is x power 4. Here root x is there. Root x means it is an irrational number. This is one more set of algebraic expressions. Once you observe the difference between the two sets of algebraic expressions, here the variables are having positive powers. Here the variables are having positive powers, as well as this is an irrational number. Now an algebraic expression with positive power is known as a polynomial. An algebraic expression with positive, the variable involved in the polynomial, involved in the algebraic expression is known as a polynomial. Now definition of the polynomial is the variables involved in the algebraic expressions which are having positive powers, then those algebraic expressions are said to be polynomials. Now these are not polynomials because the variables are having negative powers. Here the variables are having positive powers. Once again I am telling an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is known as a polynomial. Now coming to the properties of the polynomials. See here the variables are having positive power, that is the major property, and then here the highest power of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the variable here in this polynomial, the highest power is 2. The highest power is 2, and in this polynomial the variable is not having any power, then it is having the power 1. Here in this the variable is having the highest power 3, so its degree is 3. Here the degree is 4. Here the degree is 7. Now I think everyone got the idea about the degree of the polynomial and definition of the polynomial. Now next one is the coefficient. Here x square coefficient is 4. It's a multiple of 4 and it is known as coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is 5. Constant is -6. Here coefficient of x is 3, constant is -5. Here coefficient of x cube is 5. Here x square coefficient is 7 and constant is -8. Here x power 4 coefficient is 9, x cube coefficient is 7. Now here x power 7 coefficient is 3 and x coefficient is 4. These are the coefficients of the variables involved in the polynomials. Now coming to the types of the polynomials. Here polynomials are divided into some types of the polynomials. First one, polynomials are divided into some types. First one is a polynomial whose degree is 1 is known as a linear polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is known as a linear polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 2 is known as a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 2 is known as a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 3 is known as cubic polynomial. These are the types of the polynomials. I hope video is clear for everyone. If you have any doubt, please comment. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you, students.